Natalie, and I'm from the Sun City West Valley Corps.
My name is Kevin, and I'm from Tucson Half High.
My name is Ngozi Eke, and I'm from the Phoenix Citadel Corps.
My name is Isaac, and I'm from the Mesa Citadel Corps.
I enjoy playing in the band because it's a huge part of where I come from, being an officer's kid, and it's an enjoyable thing. I love sitting in the section and kind of just being surrounded by all these other talented musicians. I like it.
I've been doing dance for 2 years.
I enjoy singing company because I get to sing for God and worship Him.
I think other kids should play in youth band because it may give them opportunities for a career in the future if what they want to do is not going to happen.